In 1904, Takashishi Tawaraya created Japan's oldest existing vending machine. It was made of wood and dispensed stamps and postcards for coins. It could display item prices and made change. In the 1920s, Japanese vending machines began selling candy in addition to stamps and cigarettes. In the 1950s and 60s, drinks in vending machines became common, especially with the proliferation of U.S. Coca-Cola machines throughout Japan. During COVID-19, in the 2020s, the machines grew in popularity as they provided contactless food services. Japan now has more vending machines per capita than anywhere else in the world. There's one vending machine for every 23 people in Japan, and Japan has over 4 million vending machines. Due to high population density in cities like Tokyo, vending machines save space because they don't need store space or staff on site. Due to the low crime rate in Japan, the machines stay relatively unvandalized, so they can be put in remote locations with low risk. The March 2011 tsunami in Japan was horrendous and deadly and is still very much on locals' minds. So Japan has begun to synthesize the vending machines with emergency preparedness. They now have engineered vending machines that won't fall over, that are near evacuation routes, and they function like normal vending machines. But if there's a earthquake over 5.0 magnitude, it unlocks the payment system so the drinks and snacks are free during a disaster. This can provide 300 drinks and 150 food items immediately on a site of an emergency. They also can make loud announcements from these vending machines about the emergency, and they can be recharging stations, and they can also uh, be driven by cranks and solar panels if the electricity is out. They also have emergency storage lockers in them with face masks and portable toilets, etc., for an emergency. These are paid for through cooperation between local governments and businesses. A restaurant owner in Inawashiro is an apprentice kokeshi doll maker. He installed a vending machine for locally made kokeshi dolls in front of his restaurant. 4 local artisans sell 5 different styles of kokeshi dolls there. He wants to bring awareness to the art, but he also wants to inspire future doll makers to carry on the local tradition. He said people like the combination of the old dolls with the new vending machines. You can find vending machines at shrines that are selling amulets or fortunes. You can find umbrellas in vending machines, flower bouquets, eggs, all sorts of things, including a wider range of toy dispensers. And I don't think that this trend is going to go away anytime soon.